Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy A02s for Straight Talk. So the Galaxy A02s finally made its way to Straight Talk. It's available now for $69.99. So this is a budget phone, of course. It's available in black. The model number is S124DL. So yeah, this is the Galaxy A02s. Very nice looking phone here. Like I said, this is a budget smartphone. So yeah, let's go ahead and check it out. So on the front of the phone, you guys have your teardrop notch with your front-facing camera. Your volume button and power button will be on the right side of the phone now. I think the left side has your micro SD card and SIM card slot. I think it's kind of hard to tell. It's like a bit small there. And then on the back of the Galaxy A02s is your triple camera system along with your camera flash, Samsung logo, and it looks like it has like some textured pattern on the back there, so pretty nice. So yeah. So introducing the 2021 Galaxy A series. You need a phone you can count on with Galaxy A02s. We have taken the everyday essentials and kicked them up a notch. That means you get a long-lasting battery, expandable storage, a sleek edge-to-edge display, and a standout multi-lens camera experience, all at our most affordable price. Alright? So that's it from the front, side, and back. That is the right side of the phone there. This is the left side of the phone. I think your micro SD card and SIM card slots like right here somewhere, I guess. It's kind of hard to see that. So quick specs on this phone. Like I said, this is a budget phone, guys, so I do not really expect a whole lot from it. The front camera is a 5 megapixel camera. You do get 3 cameras in the back, like I said. 13 megapixel main camera, then a 2 megapixel macro camera lens, and then a 2 megapixel depth camera on the rear. 34 hours of battery time, Bluetooth 5.0, 5000 mAh battery, octa-core processor, Qualcomm Snapdragon 450. So this is a very old processor from what, 2016. So this was the same processor that was in the LG A02. So the processor is very old. I don't know why Samsung decided to stock a 5-year-old processor in this phone, but they did it anyway. Yeah, that only like the biggest con about this one, in my opinion, that the processor is old as shit. It's from 2016. That's when the LG A02 came out, and the LG A02 had a Snapdragon 450 processor, same clock speed and everything else. So I don't know why Samsung decided to put a 5-year-old processor in this phone, but they did. It has a Snapdragon 450 processor, which is old as fuck. Alright, it does have GPS here and there, 34 hours of talk time, memory, 32 gigabytes of storage, 2 gigabytes of RAM, expandable storage up to 1 terabyte. The Galaxy A02s weighs 6.98 ounces. So take advantage of the micro SD card there, because you'll need it. And you do get a headphone jack there on the bottom, so that's nice to have. Alright, what comes in the box is your Samsung Galaxy A02s prepaid smartphone charger, battery which is embedded in the phone, activation card, services guide, and quick start guide there. More features, like I said, you guys get storage. Galaxy A02s, the expandable memory lets you hold on to more of what you love. So you will need to take advantage of the micro SD card slot, because you guys only get 32 gigabytes of storage. So yeah, processor when you're on the go, reliability is clutch. Galaxy A02 has you covered. Well, the processor is old as fuck, and I'm still mind blown on why Samsung put a 5-year-old processor in this one. I do get that this is a budget phone, but why would you put a 5-year-old processor in this one? Why would you? It makes no fucking sense. The camera snap and share with ease. thanks to Galaxy A02s, a versatile four lens camera system, high definition. Enjoy a bright and bold viewing experience on a crisp and colorful 6.5-inch HD plus Infinity V. This one they need to fix their spacing there. I think that's it there. It comes with Android 10. I think it does Android 10 on here. So yeah. So if you guys are looking to get a backup phone, a budget phone for your kid or parents or whatever the case may be, the Galaxy A02s is the phone to check out. It is a very nice looking phone. It has decent specs on it. This is a budget phone, like I said. The biggest con, in my personal opinion, is that the processor is old as fuck. It's 5 years old. The Snapdragon 450 processor is old. Same processor that was in the LG Stylo 2 from 2016, guys. So this processor is old, and that's the biggest con about this phone, in my personal opinion. So yeah, I still don't know why Samsung decided to put a 5-year-old processor in this phone, but they did anyway. So with that being said, if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It lets me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.